Hello kings, queens, and royals in between. My name is Joe, and this is my channel. And in today's video, I'm going to be recreating the look from the An Excuse for Beauty Marks video. It looked like this. And all things considered, it is like still a great look. The eyeshadow looks really cool. The eyebrows don't look too bad. The lipstick, the darker pink and the regular pink combo is pretty good. The blush is pretty great. I mean, I don't hate it, but I'm still gonna recreate it instead of, post the video again. I might do that for the New Year's Eve video though. So I think that might be funny. Let's get started. I'm just dabbing up my mustache sweat. Let's begin. All right, as I do my base up to the blush step, I'm going to, be doing it on full speed. So once and for all, I can go against the allegations saying that I don't do my own makeup. I get thousands of comments saying, hey, you don't do your own makeup, you're a liar. And to that I say, watch this video then. I forgot to show you what the new version is gonna look like. It's this. Green gems, green gem right there, more winged out, more liner, less beauty marks. That might change, I don't know. And also I might use this star stamp eyeliner that my coworker got me. Who? Somebody started a live video on Instagram. Orange blush, brown lip liner, pink lip. Also, it's kind of inspired by Crystal Method. The cape runway from season 12, because I was watching her makeup tutorial for that look while I was doing this. Or what, was it that one or the Frida Kahlo one? I can't remember, but this is what it's gonna look like. Whichever one she did that looks like this. And also she did lots of beauty marks, I'm pretty sure. Or was that Lux? I don't know. Anyway, back to it. You guys need to be informed. You guys need to be tutorialized. And I need to be institutionalized. Ayo! Sorry. I thought I got foundation on my foot. False alarm. Concealer time. It's this one from Believe Beauty. Powder time. Airspun. Nasty. Stinky. Spray again. Is this riveting stuff? Is this like watching a wall full of paint? The paint falling off or whatever. Am I boring you guys? Stop. Sorry, it's down here. Ignore my armpit hair if you see it. If you see it, no you don't. Highlighter time. Revolution Makeup, Revolution London, Revolution Makeup. London. Different highlighter time. Finding Nemo. Bronzer time. LA color. What happened? Oh, I've been using it. I left a little scratch in it. What just happened? Too hot in here. I'm so tired of being here. Something, something, something. Child of fear. Alright, that's all done. I'm so glad to be out of that super speed prison. Reminds me of The Flash. Am I like The Flash in that way? I don't know, I've never seen that show. I just watched somebody talk about it on the internet. Alright, today I want to do it back. Today I want to do an orangey orange, a very strong tangerine, bold orange. And for that, I don't know what I'm gonna use. Probably hot sauce, this one, Morgan. Nope, Abby Roberts, X Morphe. Who's Morgan? I recently ringing up a mother whose child was saying, what the Sigma? Like, unironically, like at the register, she was like, what the Sigma? Like a lot. So, kids these days, what are you gonna do about them? Teach them well enough to lead the way. What is that TV show? Oh, God. All right, I'm going to do both brows and one eye off camera. And in honor of my coworker Tanya, she got me brow stencils and a bunch of other stuff. So I'm going to be doing these thin brows. I'm going to be trying these thin brows for once. It's been a while, so nice, right? It comes with this brow stamp, eyeshadow powder thingy, eyebrow powder thingy. Okay, I'm gonna try that off camera, and I'll be right back. See y'all in a little bit. All right, I did both brows and one eye off camera, and I think it's okay. I'm not used to wearing such big gems, and also down here, and also I messed up a little bit, and also it's hot in here. But it is what it is. I feel like I'm gonna like it at the end. More than I think it's just okay now. You know what I mean? Right. So, about the little stamper do's. This is very pigmented, this brow powder, and the fact that it's a stamp, it really goes on there. A con would be that it's the exact same color as my CoverGirl eyeliner, so getting definition was hard to do, and drawing hairs on there. So I just used a black eyeshadow. It doesn't really look like eyebrows, but when does it ever? I did mess up on the bottom here. I went too far down. It should have been slightly more upturned. But other than that, it's fine. So I'm gonna do this over here. Doesn't my eyelid look naked compared to this one? For starters, I used the Delanky palette for the purple, and I used this purple shade right here. I go up to the hairline, right? Now I'm gonna do one of these, slightly where the brows grow for me, this is the bottom of where my natural eyebrow grows. Well, I think this is the only spot of the drawn on brow that touches where my brows usually grow. And I think that's really funny. Really silly goose, really looking camp right in the eye. The eyeshadow is a little bit patchy for the most part because of the heat. That's what I'm blaming it on. It says it's 90 degrees Fahrenheit outside, but it feels like 100. You would be right about that. A second ago it said 94, but it feels like 104. You would be right. It does also seem like it's a little bit goth inspired by the way that it goes down, and the eyeliner being like super triangular and angular and such, and like as people have like said, I want to see what you would look like in goth makeup. And to that I say, I don't know if I'm ever gonna try that, because that seems like a bridge too far. Like I'm not goth or emo or any of those. So it feels like weird that it's kind of a trend for non-emo, non-goth people to try goth makeup for views and likes and engagement. Like it seems like that's something they would be against because they're very anti-society and stuff for the most part. But whatever. You can have your own opinion about it if you want. I don't think I will try it though. Oh, I forgot to do the beauty marks. Oh, as soon as I was done with this eye, I was like, oh, I should do the beauty marks before I do this side. I forgot. I'm gonna use my star stamp. Just got it from my coworker. She bought it for me. It is from Peco Lovers. Peco Lovers. Can you see? PECO Lovers. Eyeliner stamp. Seal. Double-headed. So there's regular eyeliner on this side, which is cool. This is also a little bit inspired by Brittany Broski because I don't know if she still does it, but she used to do like one brown star and like pat it a little bit so it kind of looked like a star-shaped beauty mark, and also like one regular dot. Bonk. I like the idea of too many beauty marks. I've done it a couple of times in my day. Very pigmented. I like it. Peco Lovers, you guys are all right. I'm not gonna bother with the forehead because I'm gonna let my bangs down anyway. And it looks like a tiny version of those pimple stickers that suck the juice out of your face. Sorry. Anyway, Are you serious? So now I'm gonna do Winner from the Looney Tunes palette, which is this metallic yellow. And I'm gonna go all over my eyelid. I love this color. I kind of wish that I didn't put glitter on top on the other side, but you live and you learn. NYX Professional Makeup. I'm gonna use it till it's gone. I mean, I like it, but you know. Watermelon. I'm gonna go on the end of this one and just draw up to my hairline. Oh, that's too big. This is a lot neater and tidier than this side, which I kind of wish it looked like this on both sides, but you know. I'm gonna make it a little bit thicker on this side and a little bit lower, because that's what the other side looks like. All right, now, before I move on to the glitter, I'm going to put a little bit of the skin tone eyeshadow that I usually put under my brows in between the liner lines on here. Ramen from Abby Roberts' palette. I don't know why she's comparing my skin tone to pasta. I'm a little offended by that. Is this the glamour that needed to be at DragCon? Okay, now glitter time. Use eye safe glitter if you're gonna do this. I'm not asking, I'm telling. Do as I say, not as I do. Also, my lash glue squeezy tube over there is clogged because I don't know where the cap went, and I just left it without the cap because I thought it would have been fine. The answer is no. Gorgeous. I was about to put the lash glue cap inside of the glitter. Somebody needs to take a nap. It's your baby, Susan. Baby Susan. To make sure, or to like fine tune the eyeliner now that there might be glitter on top, I'm just gonna take this tiny little brush with black eyeshadow on it and just... All right, time for mascara and lash. I'm tired of dropping things on the floor. Are you tired of me dropping things on the floor? Comment below. I think this look could have had, what's it called? Colorful lashes, like orange lashes or something. But I think it's too hot outside for me to try to experience colorful eyelashes for the first time. Like, if I didn't like it, I would not wipe my eyelashes clean and then put regular mascara on. I would have a mental breakdown and then just delete the video. Could have put on yellow lashes to match my teeth. Forgot to do the gems before the mascara. So, oopsie on my part. My achy breaky leg. I think I'm gonna do these kind of big ones, kind of medium ones. Is this lash too big? I think it's too big. Oh, I kind of like that more. If I ever do a Roxy Andrews inspired look, these ones. This lash is also Kiss. It's just a regular lash that I trimmed a little bit called Risky. And it looks like this. Each hair has its own personality. This piggy went to the market. They never said the pig was going to buy stuff. Means something to me, huh? If you liked the big, giant, thick lash better than this, I apologize. But I don't care that much in this moment. If you guys yell at me, I might post an apology video with tears. Just letting you know. There we go. Now for some lipstick. I will be wearing actual lipstick this time, combined with some eyeshadow, because the lip liner is going to be brown, which is my go-to brow eyeshadow. And then in the middle, I'm gonna do a pink. In the original, now every now and then a different color, which is fun for me. I don't know, there's just something about modern and delusional. Yeah, I have humility sometimes. It is not just 90, you're a liar. It is not 90, Did I add too much on this side? Because I feel like I look like that third sister in Hocus Pocus. We're young. Wait, I've never used this one before. Not notes. I think this is a liquid lipstick or a gloss. That's a liquid lipstick. It is drying down. CoverGirl, put the base in your walk, head to toe, your whole body talk. It's in the shade Made in England. It's in the shade One Mouth Drawing 530. I'm gonna brush my bangs and then I'll be right back. I feel like I look good. I look good. I look good. Yeah. Silver jewelry today. Yes. You should jingle jangle some more, like it's Christmas. I always hated those bells. Star earrings to go with the star dots on my face. They don't resemble beauty marks really, but I kind of like it. Ooh, what was that? I think I spit in the air and then it flew into my eyeball. I got a 3D experience for myself. I don't like that. Anyway, this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you enjoyed the process that it took to get here. I might like this later while I'm editing the video in front of an air conditioner on 60 degrees Fahrenheit. If you want to like the video, you should like the video. If you want to comment, comment. If you want to share, you should share. If you want to subscribe, you should subscribe. If you want to send me money on Cash App, JoeMoore684. And if you don't want to do any of those things, or if you want to do some things and not others, or just one of those, that's completely up to you. Do what you want. I tried to set up a Ko-fi account, K-O-F-I, where you can just send a creator money if you want to, like kind of like Cash App, but you can't request money from them. That's happened once before. It didn't work out. I can't remember why. Cash App it is, for now. Until I start making money on this YouTube thing. Anyway, I will see you guys next time. Hope you like this. And if you don't, sorry. All right, bye, y'all.